I'm Roger, and this is Roger's Shop. Welcome to it. What I cover here is I have a Dewalt DW735 planer, and what I've always had a problem with the chip ejection and chip collection, and the chip collector, that's a whole other subject for a different video. But when I would connect the hose up here in the front, it would always be in the way. And because of the way I use this, I always exit this to the right as I'm standing on the feed side of it. And I would tie the dust collection hose up to the handle here with a bungee cord. And that was always kind of a nuisance. So if you've done anything with dust collection, you found out that you can buy elbows and Ys and you can buy all kinds of fittings, but it's very difficult to find a coupling. And that's what I have right here. And these are on Amazon. I got this on Amazon. It was around 10 bucks. The elbow here is a PowerTech elbow, and what I did originally was here's the dust chute off the planer, just like that. And what I did after trying to push this on was broke off this little ear right here, which I had to use some CA glue to put it back on. So if you decide to do this, it's best to take this off, push it into the fitting good first, because a friction fit, I mean, I can't hardly get this apart. So you get a good friction fit, it won't go anywhere. And I may add a screw to this later to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and I'll probably put a screw in this through the top to give it a little bit more support, and possibly put a additional screw in right here through this plastic housing, just a short little sheet metal screw to give it a little bit more support than what this little slotted ear does. But anyway, it's just a little quick tip. When it's all said and done, it'll set like this on the planer. Get back in there. It'll set like this, and I can connect my hose right to the side. Originally, when I just had the elbow and was trying to go to this, I tried using a piece of hose with a couple clamps, and it would wobble and flop and spin, and that was frustrating. But they do sell these couplings, so they do make them. By the same token, if you need to join a let's say you need to join one of these elbows to a Y or a T, these couplings are available. So just a little quick tip video here on what I did to modify this, and hope you got something out of it. If you did, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. Otherwise, until then, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.